Welcome to this Trimble Business Center video tutorial. In this video we want to show how you can import drone data into TBC. So after we will create our new project and define our coordinate system, we have three different ways how you can get your data into TBC. You can just drag and drop your folder into TBC. That's the easiest way. We will scan the folder and automatically open the Import UAS Data pane on the right side. Or the second way is you go to the photogrammetric ribbon and choose to import UAS data. Then the pane opens up. Typically it's empty here, and then you will need to select the folder where your data is, choose it, and then we will fill out data then afterwards. Or the third way is you will go to the home part, choose the standard import dialog. Here choose now the folder where your project is located. Then hit OK. And then we will see in our general import dialog which folders include UAS data. So we scan the folder and we give you the information which folder includes UAS data. And then we can select this folder where the data is included, hit import, and then this dialog again brings us to the import UAS data pane. So you see, all three ways end up always in the Import UAS Data pane. So like in Rome, every way leads to Rome, every way in TBC leads to the Import UAS Data pane. I hope this helps you how you can get to the Import UAS Data pane. Thank you for watching. Bye.